How to customize VPN settings in Surfshark VPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to customize VPN settings in Surfshark VPN. So customizing VPN settings in Surfshark VPN allow you to tailor your VPN experiences according to your preferences and needs. So here's how you can customize VPN settings in the Surfshark VPN. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Surfshark VPN. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go ahead and access the settings or preference section within the app, located right at the bottom. And once you are on the settings menu, you'll find various options to customize your VPN experiences. For that case, go to app settings, and here you can see your information and all that. So basically you can go through it and make changes right on this page, and along with that you can also go to VPN settings, and here you can customize the information. First thing is that you can customize auto connected. You can also enable or disable the clean web feature, and along with that you can go with the VPN kill switch and all that. Basically go through it and you can just go ahead and make changes with your appearances. So that's how you can customize your Surfshark VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.